Hi all, in this session, let's discuss very few interview questions in core Java. Yes, these are the tricky interview questions I have collected from string of core Java. You know string is very important. So let's see 5 interview questions I have collected for you. One by one we'll check. You see, in this program, what I did, I created two variables. One is s1, string s1 equal to Java, and s2 equal to java. If you'll see, if we'll concatenate, it will become also Java. So what I'm doing, s1 equal to s2. Here what it is doing equal to, it is comparing the reference. Both the reference will be same or different. As the content is same here, and where it is string literals actually, so it will point to same location, same address. It will not create a different object. So the answer will be true. Even though we wrote like this, post concatenated, the content is same as like s1, so it will point to the same location. That's what it is coming true. Let's go to next question. You see, here what I did, same comparison I am doing by using equal to. Here this is a string literal hello, and same hello I am creating with new keyword. Here both the reference will be same. No, this object will be created separately. This object will be created in other locations. This is constant pool. This is heap memory. Any new keyword means heap memory. So both the references, both the address will not be same. So here it will come false. You see. Let's see next question. So here what is the output of this question? What I am doing here, I am trying to concatenate. You see, this 10 is a integer. If you add a integer, let me remove this. If you add a integer with another integer, what will be the output? It will become an integer. 10 plus 20, it will become 30. And this 30 will be added with a string. So if you add a integer with string, it will become a string. So it will become like this. 30, once again 30. And this 30, it is a string because you added a string with integer. It will become, output will become string. So in a string, once again I am adding 40. So this is a string. In string, if you add a integer, it will become a string. So it will become like this. Then finally I am adding 50. So this is a string, and if you add 50, it will become string. So you see, finally it will print. This is the result. 30, 30, 40, 50. So this is basic, but sometimes you will be confused. Okay. So let's see another questions. Here, what is the output? What I did here, I created two objects, s1 and s2, two variables, string s1 equal to abc, s2 equal to abc. But this abc I created with new keyword. So both the reference will be same or not? No, it cannot be same. But if we say equals s1 equals s2, it will compare the content. So s1 content and s2 content. This output will become true. But if we compare the reference, it will become false. And what I'm saying, I'm here comparing this false, this true, and operator. False and true. It will become, true and false. It will become false. So if we run, it will be false. You see. Then go to next question. You see. Here what I did, I created a string variable called str. And I am assigning to null. I am checking str is an instance of string, true or false. It will be false. Why? Because I have not created any object. If you will not assign anything also, the default value will be null. You see, default value also will be null. Okay, it's a local variable, so you must have to assign. If it is an instance variable, then it is okay. If you are not assigning, then it is okay. It is a local variable. You must have to assign. If you declare this here, as an instance variable, then once again it's different concept. To access this instance variable, this is non-static area, right? Inside this static main method we need to create an object of this. So this is a different concept, don't worry for that. Just what I'm trying to say, if you will not initialize anything, then you will get error, a local variable. So but here the concept is, what I did, I just initialize to null to bypass it. I don't want to give any value. If I'll give a value something like this, Java. So now str is a string instance of string, yes, so it will come true as expected, it will come true. But here what I'm doing, I don't want to create any object, I don't want to initialize any object, I will say null. So null, if I'll say, so it is not an instance of string, you see, it will say false. That's what I wanted to say. And this variable is a local variable. Any local variable you must have to initialize. If it is instance variable, then no need to initialize. But if you are accessing that instance variable, we need to create an instance, you need to create an object. That is a separate concept. That's what we are getting error, don't be confused. So these simple 5 questions I have collected in this session. It's very basic, okay? So I'm trying to collect few more questions. In next session I will add. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you really like, please subscribe this channel. It will be really motivate me to create some more videos for you. Please like and comment if anything in your mind. Okay, thank you.